to share a really cool experience that Di and I just filmed. We were staying at the Jamala Wildlife Lodge in one of their jungle bungalows, and we had tigers come right up to us in our room. So I've just started sorting through the footage on the computer, and I thought I've got to share this with you guys because it's not something we get to do on a daily basis, and this was a really cool experience. So here's what it's like in the room. Here's how the tigers interact with the guests. I hope you guys enjoy this. This place was amazing. The bungalow is cozy and luxurious, but the real highlight is right outside these windows. Just look at these incredible tigers. So close you can almost touch them. Both the bedroom and bathroom take advantage of these nice big glass windows that overlook the enclosure. And throughout the day, it's really cool as you just get to sit and watch for hours the behaviour of the tigers. Not that we got a lot of time in our room as we're out shooting other things around the place.
So I've stayed in different rooms where you can actually stay with the animals. And tonight, we're in the jungle bungalow and the tigers actually come and sleep right outside your room. So we've, yes, tigers, let's be feeling the tigers. Tigers! Don't put on me, put a tiger!
In the afternoon, we had these guys right outside our window, inches away from us. Di couldn't get enough of it and spent a lot of the time on the floor just lying next to the window. I can't get over how cool this was. The tigers are just right there living their lives, and you get to be a part of it, even if it is just for a little while. Now, if you want to check out this room in 360 and get a bit of a closer look, I'll put a link in the description. This will allow you to navigate around and see every little detail up close. It's pretty cool. I hope you enjoyed that. As I said, it's not something you get to see every day, and it was an amazing experience, and I really wanted to share that with you as it's not something we all get to see every single day. So yeah, it was amazing. If you'd like to see more from Jamala, let me know in the comments below. I've got lots of really cool things here, but I really want to hear what it is that you guys are interested in seeing and knowing about this place. So let us know down below, and if there's interest there, we can start pushing more content out and showing you more of the really cool things that we captured while we're there. But you know, if not, check out some of these videos. We're all about inspiring you and answering the questions and trying to show you some amazing things you can do when you're out on your travels. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.